Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today our topic to learn is science, physics, lesson number 14, wind, storms and cyclones. Let's know a short introduction to our lesson. Natural resources such as air, water, wind and light are essential for our survival. However, these resources could also be the biggest destroyers of life. It happens when they are in excess amount. For example, heavy rain causes flood and lack of rain causes drought. Why don't we know more about it? Basically, our first topic is wind. So what do you understand by wind? Wind is moving air. Air when moves in high speed, it is called storm. A storm may be devastating in nature, causing severe damage due to its force and strength. Thunderstorm is generally accompanied by thunder and lightning during monsoon. Let us find out what causes the wind. Wind is caused by the uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the heat of the sun. This is due to the Earth's tilt and spherical shape. The temperature of the Earth's surface near the equator gets heated up more than that near the geographical poles on the Earth. As a result, air near the equator gets warmer than in the polar regions. Thus, wind is caused due to the temperature difference between different regions. To know more, during the summer season in northern hemisphere, the land becomes very hot as compared to the oceans. The hot air above the land rises up and moist air above the ocean begins to blow towards the land. This moist and cooler rain-bearing wind moves from the Arabian Sea to the Bay of Bengal, giving rise to the air currents and bringing heavy rainfalls in almost all parts of India. These winds are called the summer monsoon winds. During the winter season, dry and cold winds blow from colder northwest region of the land to the ocean. These winds are called the winter monsoon winds. Next, our topic is air pressure. We know that air is a mixture of several gases. The molecules of gases in air are in continuous motion. When the air is confined in a container like balloon or football, the molecules collide with each other. However, the molecules located near the wall of the container collide near the wall as well. The collisions of these molecules exert a force on the area of the wall. That is, they exert a net pressure on the wall of the container. This pressure is called air pressure. We have already studied in previous grades that the earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. The atmosphere extends up to nearly 300 km above the earth's surface. We have also learned that air has weight. The weight of air in our atmosphere exerts pressure on everything on the earth. This air pressure is called atmospheric pressure. Factors that affect air pressure will be discussed now. First is altitude. The air pressure decreases as we move upward from the surface of the earth. This is because of the number of air molecules get reduces at the higher altitude, which in turn reduces the atmospheric pressure. Next is temperature. When the temperature increases, the air expands and the air pressure decreases. When the temperature decreases, the air contracts and the air pressure increases. Water vapor. When the humidity is high, the air pressure is less. This is because moist air is less dense than dry air, due to which it exerts less air pressure than dry air. Next, our topic is moving air and lift. Moving air reduces the air pressure. When air blows over or below an object, the air pressure gets reduced over or below the area of that object. As a result, a pressure difference gets created between the two opposite sides of the object. This pressure difference provides a lift and moves the object from low pressure area to high pressure area. Next topic is characteristics of wind. Wind has two characteristics, wind speed and wind direction. They play an important role in formation of the natural phenomenon like thunderstorm, cyclone, tornadoes, etc. Therefore, it is necessary to measure the wind speed and determine the wind direction at a place. Wind speed. The wind speed is measured by an instrument called anemometer. It consists of 3 or 4 cups mounted on a rod that can rotate freely on its axis. The greater the speed of wind, the faster the cups rotate on the rod. Wind direction. The direction of wind at a place can be found by using an instrument called weather vane. Arrow-shaped vane is mounted at its center to move freely about the vertical axis. When the wind speed is strong, the arrow aligns itself such that the tip points towards the direction of the wind. For obtaining the accurate direction, the wind vane is mounted high above the ground, so it is free from obstacles such as tall trees and high buildings. Thunderstorm is our next topic. In hot and humid tropical regions like India, thunderstorms or lightning storms are known to occur frequently. Thunderstorms are storms accompanied by thunder, lightning, and heavy rains. It is sometimes accompanied by snow and hail. The heat of the sun in the tropical region heats up the air near the Earth's surface. This hot air rises up. The water vapor present in air due to its humidity also rises up along with the hot air. As water vapor reaches the upper layer of atmosphere, which is comparatively cooler than the Earth's surface, it cools and condenses to form clouds. The cloud of water vapor further cools to form water droplets that falls down towards the earth in the form of rain. Some of the droplets freeze and fall as snow or hail. Falling down, the collision between the water droplets and ice takes place due to the rising air and fast-moving winds. During collision, the friction between them causes the clouds to get electrically charged. When these charged clouds get discharged, they produce huge sparks. These sparks are seen in the form of lightning. Lightning rapidly heats the air in its path that results in a loud sound that is heard as thunder. This is reason why lightning is generally accompanied by thunder. Let's know the safety measures that has to be taken when a lightning occurs. Do not take shelter under a tall or isolated tree as it is closer to the clouds and are more likely to hit by lightning than other small trees. Do not use umbrellas having metallic tip or base as metal is a good conductor of electricity. Hope you understood this lesson. See you in the next video, and the part 2 of this video will be uploaded as the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Bye bye.